How to hide and lock apps on iPhone 2025. Want to stop others from seeing or accessing apps on your iPhone? Continue watching. Hi, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to lock and hide apps on your iPhone step by step. Now let's get started. To begin, tap and hold the icon of the app you want to lock or hide. You'll see an option that says Require Face ID. Tap this to lock the app with Face ID. If you also want to hide the app from your home screen, select Hide and Require Face ID. What happens next? Locked apps will require Face ID to open. If Face ID fails after 2 attempts, you'll have the option to enter your iPhone's passcode instead. Hidden apps will disappear from your home screen. They'll be moved into a special hidden folder in your app library. To access them, you'll need to use Face ID or enter your passcode. And that's it. That's how you can lock and hide apps on your iPhone in just a few steps. Bonus tip: want to learn how to hide text messages on your iPhone too? Click the video on your screen now to watch our next tutorial. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Thanks for watching!